How far are we behind? Are we about 2 hours? Gotta get gas, gotta get food. Dude, look how skinny my arms look. I think they just really are. Yeah, I wish I had some sunglasses. Left mine in my other car. So I gotta go into the gas station. I don't have a mask, so I'm gonna do this. It's actually kind of chilly outside, so I don't really care. Went to the gas station. Ryan's airing up the tires right now. Dude, look what this guy's doing. What are you doing? This man airing up the tires. Damn, he did it fast. What are those Ray-Bans? Mine are Pugs.
Scratched the hell on your big ass blurry spot.
And that was a blurry spot on my lens. Right in the middle of it, bro.
Huh? From what? Is it a scratch or is it just a fingerprint?
No, it's just a smudge.
No, I don't. You throw them on first, dumbass?
Yo, I think. No way, dude. They didn't have a mirror in the gas station. These are the sunglasses I got, and you can see my eyes. Yo, I put them on and I was like, that looks stupid. So I went to look at other ones, but they didn't really have any. There's literally no difference. They're not blocking the shade at all. Dude, I spent $15 on these. You want to try sunglasses?
No.
I ate a whole bag of Ruffles, baked cheddar, and sour cream
So are we
cheese.
good? Do we even need to go here?
Are you hungry?
I'm just trying to get here. And then a Mountain Dew Baja Blast Freeze. Regular?
Y'all just remember, we still gotta go to the bank.
I was so about to get on the interstate, bro.
Burritos and banks. What we're doing today is we're going to Jonesboro. Jonesboro, Arkansas. We're going to Jonesboro and we're gonna go look at some dirt bikes. Ryan got a lead that this guy's got a bunch of four-wheelers and dirt bikes and he's selling them at like $400 a pop, which sounds like a pretty good deal.
Sight unseen. We haven't looked at them, haven't gotten a picture of them. We got cash and we're coming for them.
Not a lot of cash, but we got some cash. He's got two Yamaha TTR 230s, both 4-strokes.
They could be clapped out for all we know.
Yeah, sight unseen, like he said, we don't know what the f they look like, so.
I heard they use them to do soil samples out on farms, so I don't know.
This dude just had a dirt bike, and we're not gonna talk about what happened to it, but.
It got stolen.
It got stolen, bro.
Dirt bag stole it during a snowstorm.
Ryan lost out on that one. He was already losing out because he never got to ride it.
My plan is when we get back, drain the fuel, throw all that old fuel out, put some new fuel in it, pull the carb, clean the carb, put it back together, drain the oil, probably got a lot of moisture in it, drain it, fill it. Tires I'm not too worried about, even if they're dry ride, I just want to make sure it runs. But other than that, just oil, gas, carb, fire her up.
Should be good to go. How many more minutes? 22 minutes. I have to piss so bad, and I don't want to get there and be like, do you have a bathroom? Dude, I'll get in the porta potty, I don't give a damn. Ever since I seen Jackass, I've been like, every time I go into a porta potty, I'm like, nah, this ain't happening. What's worse is if they close it like on the door and you can't get out. I want to hold my breath. First thing I do.
It takes all the breath out of you, and you got no choice.
Bunch of Corona poops.
Hell no.
Alright, so we just picked up our dirt bikes. It looks like they are going to be a work in progress, but again, we did pay $400 for them. They said they've been sitting since when, like last winter? You guys ready for the unanticipated reveal? Let's go. Consultants, so they only ride these. They actually said these are their backup bikes, so if one of their other bikes go out, that's when they use these. My first impression was like, damn, they didn't even try to make these look pretty. Smack. That's not my bike. Oh yeah, that's another thing. I don't know which of us is getting which bike. I mean, they're probably gonna need the same amount of work. They're both electric start. We really didn't ask many questions because it's $400. We should know what we're getting. Get what you pay for. Dude, this tire is terrible.
It's a project. We don't have enough of those.
Right. Alright, so we made it back safe to the apartment. I'm in the garage right now. We're gonna move these motorcycles, and now we gotta make space, so let's just get to it. Oh yeah. I'm gonna get all new plastics because this is just. They can be revived, I guess. I like how we're analyzing his dirt bikes, but like I know literally nothing about them.
I don't see one on here. I like how we're just assuming.
Yeah, like yeah, we're just assuming.
His tires are worse, but